All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How's everyone doing? How many people do we have here?
Okay, I didn't find that is grace.
All right. Gabi, how are you? Maxwell, how are you? Michael, Asante, how are you? Irene, how are you?
Please, I'm fine. Fine.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you. I'm also fine.
Please, how are you doing?
All right. Those on the live, is everything a-okay? Can you see me? I can see you. Yes, I can see you. Please do like the video. Do like the video. Do share the link out to people, and let's start something. Live from ISS. What's ISS? Alright, so I'm in EJ buys. I posted this signal on my Telegram. Right, so if you just join, you can also tap on this Euro JPY buys, Euro USD buys. Right, and do tell me where you are watching this live from. Do tell me where you are watching this live from. I think today we have low number of people. All right. So let's quickly start something up. Gabi, I can't see you. Irene, I can't see you. Michael, I can't see you. Let's start something up. All right. All right. So I'm in EJ buys now. I told you, and I'm going to talk about Bitcoin too. I'm in EJ buys now. So you can buy EJ now. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. As usual, we talk about cryptocurrencies, come to talk about Forex, talk about synthetics, and we end the day talking about or trading stocks. My favorite, the US 30. Right, it's not a must that we have to trade US 30 every single day. It's not a must. Okay. Now Richard says watching from Ghana, Glass in Kwan, South Africa. Alright, so more Ghanaians here. Right, so if you just join EJ buys, I'm in EJ buys. I'm targeting 81 pips, right? And I'll explain why I took this buys. This was a scary buy, but I had to, still take this one. I'm going to explain. Irene, did you take this buy?
Yes, please, I did.
All right, cool. Max, did you? Mark is a US 30 guy. Gabi, why are you?
I've taken it. I've taken the DJ vibe.
All right, cool. Um,
Please, just stop.
Luke, yes, I'll update the stop loss and everything here. Luke is from Zambia. Koki is from Maldives. Is it Maldives? Where's Maldives from? Let me see. Where Maldives is from? Gide Maldives. It's in Asia, right? Maldives. Okay, officially Republic of Indian subcontinent in Asia. Yeah, it's in Asia. All right, so let's quickly go into the charts. Right? So EJ running about 14 pips in profits. Nothing to celebrate about. So let's start with cryptocurrencies as usual. Let's talk about Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, what's happening on Bitcoin now? On the 30 minutes time frame, Bitcoin is still a downtrend, okay? It's still a downtrend. Market had a lower high here, came for a lower low, And you can see this has been happening on Bitcoin, right? Look at this. Whenever market gets there's a consolidation, right? After every consolidation, what happens? There's a breakout. Yeah, there's always a breakout above. So there was a breakout and went market retested the trend line. So I'm still believing something like that on Bitcoin, right? We have another consolidation here. What happened? Market broke out as it's did before, and after it broke out, came to touch the trend line and came back. So if I'm expecting any bad or transits on Bitcoin, I would say Bitcoin can go to 61,800. Then we can have that big sell again to 56k. Right, that is my buy. I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. Though there are a lot of investors buying Bitcoin, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin to maybe 50k. But let's see. So Bitcoin can definitely push up to 51,800 before we see sells. So if it gets to 51,800 and we see rejections here, we would take a sell on Bitcoin on the live trading session. All right. Maldives is the chillest country right now. Okay. Okay, let's come back to look at EJ. Beautiful. EJ, beautiful. EJ running 30 pips in profits. 30 pips in profits. If you just joined, you are still available to get the vibes. Right, I'm targeting 80 pips on this one. We are up is it 32 pips. Someone is from Namibia. Okay, I see you. So I'm still holding EJ. I will tell you when to move. When we will move our profits to. So I'll stop when we move our stop loss to entry. Sorry. Okay. Gabby, do you have anything to say? Let's see you, Gabby. Still moving up, 35 pips. Still moving up, 37 pips. Whoa. Still moving up. Oh. We hungry. Okay, 37. It is stop loss. Good. South Africa, Samuel. All right, so we are in EJ trades now. We are still holding EJ, right? I'll let you guys know when to take partials. Okay, we are going to definitely take partials at this blue line because there's going to be a confluence here, and we don't want to see profit and later lose profit. We are going to secure some funds here and maybe push up. But this is a nice 40 pips so far. 38 pips so far. Yao B is here. For this signal, I posted it on the Telegram, right? So yeah, beautiful. Running 42 pips in profit.
Beautiful trade.
Come again.
Listen, that is a beautiful trade.
Very, 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 very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Yesterday we took our L's in silence. We took USD card in silence. We took is it Euro odd or something? I've even forgotten. Euro card. Both went minus 30 pips to us, right? Wow. So I'm still holding this. Now let's see. This is the point where I would tell you to secure some funds, right? Secure some profit here. Secure some profit here. Someone is from Côte d'Ivoire. Nice. Running plus 50 pips. If it breaks above this blue line, good, we are done. Now you can still hold. Secure some partials here at this point on EJ. Take some little profit. Maybe close half of the entry and nice. James into Cletus from Solomon Bennett. Do you remember me? Do send me your picture on Instagram. I've met a lot of people recently. Market news ongoing. Yes, market news ongoing. Secure some profits, guys. 53 pips in profit. Beautiful. And let's go look at Bitcoin, right? Like I said, Bitcoin, there's a trend line here. Usually it always respects the trend line, right? It's market consolidated. They had a breakout above, tagged this trend line. Market pushed up. It's still in a downtrend. So it breaks above the zone. Bitcoin is still bearish. Don't be caught up in bull traps. Okay, don't be caught up in bull traps. Okay, but don't be caught up in bull traps. Wizard is saying, boss will be, they missed the group. Yeah, I'll open the group soon. Definitely. Max, did you miss the group? The group, the WhatsApp mentorship page.
Yeah, sure.
They don't disturb you.
Fantastic group, I think. EJ. It's still going to keep on pushing up. It still has to. I could see it respected the trend line and had a rate, but once it has broken above this, it's still going to keep on pushing up. But it's best we do what we take some partials, close some partials, and allow the rest to run risk free. Okay. Close some partials, allow the rest to run risk free. Allow the rest to run risk free. Still targeting this whole 80 pips. TP hit on Euro USD. Beautiful. So 2 trades today so far. Nice. Euro USD went 50 pips too. Beautiful. This is, someone would be asking, what are we doing? Why did we take a trade? I took this trade because I traded the news, right? I traded the news. That is all I did. Euro, trade the news. Can you check gold? Okay, let's go check gold. What's happening on gold? Wow. Yesterday we had buy stops here and we got faked out and came to hit our stop loss. So yesterday was we hit stop loss on gold. I don't want to remember the sad incident that happened, but if you went here, know that we hit stop loss on gold yesterday. And after we hit stop loss, market went into massive profits, and I sent a recovery trade. Max, did you see that trade? You took it? Yeah.
I mean, you took it too, right? So I sent a recovery trade on the signal page, on the free Telegram signal page, right? On the free Telegram signal page. And we recovered the loss that we incurred, right? That's a nice thing about trading, right? Whatever the market takes from you, the same market gives it to you back. So let's look at gold. Should we trade gold today? Let's see. Gabby, what do you think? What's the trend of this market? Gabby's on here.
You talking to me, man?
Yeah, I'm talking to you, bro. Where are you?
Hey, what's up, bro? What's up? I'm sorry, I was checking out US 30 for buys.
Don't worry, we'll trade US 30. It's not the right time to trade US 30 now.
Okay, let me see what are you saying. I think this is an uptrend.
Okay, so you're looking for buying opportunities here.
Yes.
Okay, so now the question is, where would we be buying this? Where's Ashi?
I think he's probably at work, boss.
Okay, yeah. Cool, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. If Funanya says TP hits, which of the trades TP hits? Yeah, 0 USD is hits.
I think I'd want to hit the 1810.
Pardon?
Wait, on gold.
You don't want to what?
No, I thought we were talking about gold.
Yeah. Let's talk about gold now. So gold. This is gold. We are looking for levels on the H4 chart, right? We have a bit of a support here, and we have a clean move downwards. So this is what we are going to look at on gold. Let's put a level there. Let's put another level here, right? That means if the market should break, this now says as a strong support, right? So if market breaks below this whole support, we can have a clean move sales to this. That should be 100 pips for gold. Good. Now let's look at what's happening. Let's look at what's happening on gold now too. Let me come to the 1 hour time frame. Mana FX, what's up? Man, I don't see any reason why we should trade gold today. There's no move here, right? But there's a whole big resistance here. I don't think we should just be looking for selling opportunities on gold today, because there's a bit of, and US 30, like I'm expecting buys on US 30. That means if you gold and US 30 are negatively correlated, that means if US 30 is going to buy, gold is going to sell, right? If that means
I learned that thing yesterday.
yes, if gold is selling, right, US 30 is going to buy, and I'm expecting buys on US 30. We are going to talk about US 30 soon. That means gold has to sell. But this trend says uptrend. Market has to push up to at least this level, right, before it goes down. But if this candle also misbehaves and breaks this level, we can get a confirmed sell here, 100 pips. So what do I think on gold? Let's wait. On gold. I think gold may sell. We wouldn't put sell stop. Let's just wait on gold. Irene, what do you think?
I think I agree with you.
CP hit on Euro USD, very nice, very nice. It wasn't nice yesterday. Yeah, Irene, what do you say? Now you're my trading partner.
I said I agree with you.
Yeah, I agree with you. Okay, she agrees with me. Yes, you guys were laughing at me for saying Kakumba. Cucumber. Do you have a Discord? No, I don't do Discord. I just do WhatsApp and Telegram. And I've cancelled mentorships for now, right? I'm trying to update a lot on my website. I have to put out a lot of value there for people to get the vibes. So gold, I'm looking for sales on gold. For some reasons it's a bit bullish, but I'm looking for a sales on gold. If you ask me why, I'll just tell you that I'm a legend. That's why. Alright, so I'm looking for sales on gold. Let's see if it breaks below. If it breaks below this, we can put sell stops here, and if it breaks this, we can have a clean move to 1784. So let's see on gold. Okay. Now let's come to talk about, guys, give me pairs that you want us to trade. So far we've had 2 trades. Beautiful. Euro JPY is still moving up.
Still moving up. How many pips? We've already gotten 54 pips. Euro USD, I'm out of Euro USD. It hits full TP. You don't need to be there. The advanced GBP. Okay, let's see what other news. We'll see. This news doesn't have a time. That means it's going to come at any time, right? It's going to come at any time. Alright, so let's see about that.
USD news.
It's going to come at any time. But anytime you see a news, right, guys, learn from this. Anytime you see a news that has no time, know that it's going to come at the session is going to be traded. So USD, what time do we trade USD pairs? What session? Maxwell, what session do we trade USD pairs?
New York session.
New York session, great. So that means you are expecting volatility during New York session. So yes, New York session would get a big move on USD too, on some USD pairs and US30. But I prefer we trade USD. But if you guys want us to trade USD pairs too, we can also look into it. So we have two news today. The first one was successful, not a bit. It's still moving, as you can see. Still moving, beautiful. My full target is 84 pips. Wow. If you took your full profit here, it's also fine. Very, very fine. Right? Very, very fine.
I took my full profit there.
Yeah, taking your full. Okay, cool. Very, very fine. What I did is I took partials and I allowed this whole thing to run. Look, Mwenya, there's one guy in my VIP. Let's look at GBP USD. Right. Now listen, I'm not going to trade USD pairs for some time. We had some sell stops, I think last 2 days or so, and we had this whole clean move. For USD pairs, I'm going to stay out of USD pairs. I've been humbled enough. From yesterday, I've been humbled enough, and it's ranging. There's nothing to trade here. There's nothing to trade here. Auntie Mavis, or what do you say? Should we trade this? There's nothing to trade. It's just moving sideways.
Up and down. Like.
Yes. So, look, it's not the right time to trade this. Just leave it. Just leave this. I closed Euro JPY. Should I re-enter? No, we are done. It would still go to 82 pips, but it's okay. It's better. Have a loaf is better than none. Have a loaf is better than none.
Yeah, Elvis, what's up?
Pardon? Come again. Nice profits. What's up on Bitcoin? Guys, do like the video. Bitcoin, I would say this again, that Bitcoin is still a downtrend for me, right? So market breaks above maybe 63k, Bitcoin is still a downtrend for me. It's still, there's a discount, right? This is a discount that they've given you to sell the market again, right? There's a discount that they've given you to sell the market again, right? So Bitcoin is still in a downtrend. What happened here? Consolidated, broke above, fell, consolidated here again and broke above, right? So definitely we'll just do that, that what happened, just play along with the trend line, then boom, back to 56k or 55k. So there's a discount that the market makers are giving you. They are saying, Max, Irene, this is my Christmas gift to you.
We will not allow you to catch that.
Alright, guys, do like the video, okay? Do like the video, please. Odd NZD. Let's look at odd NZD quickly.
Alvis,
Yes, I'm listening.
Alvis, shall we buy US 30 now?
Wait, we are going to trade US 30 in 8 minutes. Okay.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
Odd NZD, I'm not going to trade this. There's nothing tradable here. Alright, so yesterday we had is this sell stops or sell limit? I've forgotten. What trade did we take on step index yesterday? Those on the live, those on the chats.
I think we took a sell limit.
Yes, we took a sell limit at 9245, and boom, we are now at 9213. So we are up on step index over 300 pips. Is it? And I'm a massa. Yeah, over 300 pips. So 300 pips move on step index yesterday. Crazy. Wow, crazy. There's a reason why I love this pair. I'm going to for my VIP members, I've made a video talking about the strategy on step index. It's a very, very nice strategy. Just candle formations, ride with the candle, know when to close, when the candle forms a doji. That's the whole thing about step index. You can see this is a consolidation. Normally no one would trade on this, but Legend is trading on this. So yes, 300 pips on step index for those who trade synthetics. So what do I think on step index now? I still think we are bearish on step index. Step index needs to go to 9192. Mark my words. So I'm bearish on step index. We can take sells now. You can take a sell now on step index if you want to. We have to fill this whole, this whole space. So step index, I'm selling step index now. Though I'm already in a sell. I've been in a sell since yesterday. So it has to come to this blue line. But you can just put your TP at 9200. That would be 130 pips. Okay, on step index. This is a big nice rejection, another rejection to this blue line. It may even come here 9187, but we are not trying to be greedy. Ebuka, Rebecca, Mohammed, did you guys get the trade? How much did you make from it? How much did you make from the step index trade yesterday? I know Max doesn't trade step index.
Dog, I traded yesterday, but I closed at the point.
Oh, you left early. I would have also left early, but the thing is, I slept and I just set TP and I just woke up seeing TP. Boom.
Yeah, I was sleepy, so I set TP and then I slept.
Yeah, no stop loss for step index. Unless
you were starting the night.
Nice. Okay, guys, do like the video. Let's go back to our forex. How much did you guys make? Rebecca, Ebuka, and Mohammed. Please do like the video. Okay, please do like the video. Alright, let's talk about US 30. I'm looking for buys today on US 30. but I want us to buy US30 at the right time and not at the wrong time. Okay, so buy US30 now. Buy US30 now. Why am I saying buy US30? Market had a breakout, retested, the retested field that confirmed a sell, and it's consolidating above, right? So yeah, it's definitely had broken above. Max,
Buy, sorry.
you're looking for sales? No, just tell us.
No, buy. No, sir. I have my chart. I can show it to you.
Okay,
I actually do a buy, a buy, a
you're
buy.
going for a buy or you're going for a sell?
Yeah, a buy.
Okay, we are all bullish on US30 today. So let's do this. US30 buy.
I'm gonna buy to, I think, about 357, 357.
Yes, buy now. So US30 buy now. Yeah, buy now here. Let me move this here so you guys will get it. US30 buy now at that entry. 35,560. I think it's on my broker is 35,560 now. Eagle FX. So US30 buys. Gabi, are you there? Buy, right? And our TP1 would be
It should be 35619.
35590. Let's do it this way. Let's target 30 points because they are small accounts too. TP1 there, TP2 here. TP2 at 35620. Somewhere there, TP2 3520. So tip 1, it's on your screen so you can see it. Okay, and CP3 would be just so step index as you said and straight into blues. Wow, nice. 35 650. CP3 35 650 and CP4 35 700. That's going to be our final TP. So these are going to be US30's TPs. Right, now let's talk about the stop loss. Where are we going to put our stop loss? 490 looks like a logical level below this box, right? Because if it breaks this box, we are going to see sells. So stop loss for US30. Stop loss 35 490. All right. Okay. How is Euro JPY doing? Let's do go check again. Beautiful, still running up. So far we've gotten 63 pips. 63 pips. 63 pips. And let's go look at gold too. Oh, gold is buying, US 30 has to sell. Okay. Gold is buying, US 30. If gold is buying, like I said, US 30 has to sell. If gold is buying, US 30 will sell. So let's see. I don't want us to take any L today. Maybe we should wait for breakouts, or we should still hold. Let's see. Max, what do you think?
I'm watching it like this. Trying to see something.
All right. Okay. I think I'm seeing on your Zoom. I never knew old people could join. You just have to test me. Always, I want to join. I would add you up on the Zoom chat. Okay, I didn't want to be bored here, so I would be asking people questions on the Zoom. Man, I still think US 30 has to buy, gold has to sell. Let's just see. Let's just see. Let's just see. Max, mute your audio, please. Okay, so DXY is going down. Wow. So if DXY is going down, that means XXX USD pairs has to push up, meaning US 30 has to push up, gold has to go down. So I think gold is pushing up. If gold is pushing up, US 30 should be selling. But well, let's see. I will be looking for sales on gold somewhere here. I'll be looking for sales on gold somewhere here. Let's see. We in it together, okay? We are in this together. We win together. We lose together. So US 30, I'm in buys on US 30. If you just joined, I'm in buys on US 30. I'm looking for sales on gold. We already had a nice move on EJ, right? A nice 63 pips on EJ. And a nice 50 something pips on EU. Nice. I'm looking for sales on gold. I'm looking for sales on gold, and I'm looking for buys on US 30. I'm already on buys on US 30 already. Wow, look at this. Moving up beautifully. Max, did you take this trade? Are you in this trade with me?
Yes, sir. I'm in that trade with you.
The wizard is saying US30 has been selling, so we should look for sales. Yes, we can look for sales, but my brother, it's DXY is pushing down, it's going down. So if DXY is going down, you're looking for buys on stocks. Why are you looking for sales on stocks? NAS, let's go to NAS. And NAS too is buying, I think. It's bullish. Nasdaq is also bullish. Nasdaq is also bullish. So Nasdaq will even push to 15,800 today. I'm not taking any trade here. It could push up 15,800 today. I'm a bull today on stocks, just on stocks for today. The reason why I'm looking for sales on gold. US30 about to hit TP1, right? 10 points to TP1. 9 points to TP1, as you can see. I don't know why someone is looking for sales here. Understand the market, yeah. Guys, kindly do like the video. Kindly do like the video. Kindly do like the video.
Stop, Elvis. I'm in profits.
Come again.
I'm in profits on US30.
That's great. That's great.
But little profits.
No, it's too early to take profits. Let's still hold. 12 minutes to New York session, right? So we can maybe get the real vibes there. Now let's look for sales on gold. I don't know where we are going to sell this. We can risk this. Who is with me? If you're with me on gold, type let's trade. If you're not with me, type let's not trade gold. So far we are good today. I want us to look for sales here from gold here. If you're with me, type I'm with you. Let's trade. If you're not with me, we shouldn't trade. If you think we shouldn't trade gold, type on the comment section. No, I'm not with you. Let's not trade gold at all. Because today has been a good day. I'm from Greece and let's trade. I'm from Greece and let's trade. Michael, mute your audio. The wizard have been selling. Keep selling, bro. I don't know why you
don't talk. 5-0 at home. Another one.
Michael, please mute your audios. Your audio.
Where are you? Where are you? Position where you
Elvis, check the date. Check.
busy.
Michael, mute your audio.
Then rush, giddy, go buy Siri. They come.
Wow.
You, Tottenham will score you again.
All right, so let's trade gold. Wow, you can see gold is selling from here. So let's sell gold now, or let's wait. US13 profits already hit TP1 plus 30 points already. Asante, mute your audio, that's what I wanted to tell you. All right, let's trade. Bad news coming. Hey, someone is saying bad news coming. Emmanuel, today your bad news and your good news strategy won't work. I'm bullish today on US30. We need to big gold. We need to big gold? I don't understand that. Normally we would wait for buys above this, blue line, right? Normally break above structure signifies a buy, but well, let's see. You're still in profits though. Okay, let's trade. Let's just wait. Gold, we will trade gold too. Okay, we would definitely trade gold. Let's just wait. Maybe it gets to this zone, we will trade gold. I'm looking for shorts on gold. I'm bearish on gold. But let's see. I'll let you guys know when to sell. DXY is pushing down. I'm not. Trust me, I'm not bearish on US30. I'm bullish on US30. US30 has to buy. TP1 hits 30 points in profit. Guys, like the video, please like the video. Irene, are you in this trade?
No.
So
No.
give us a currency trade so we take it. And let's go look at synthetics too. What's happening? Wow, step index in plus 50 pips profits. Today, no loss today. No loss today. 4 trades so far, all in profit. 60 pips, 50 pips, 30 pips, and another 50 pips. Nice. The Fit Center says names of Socrates. Bitcoin still bearish on Bitcoin. Yeah, it's like I said, we can expect look at what happened here. Consolidation, broke above, respected the trend line and kept going down. Another consolidation, broke above. I'm expecting it to reject this trend line, then push down, as what happened here. But if market breaks above this, this whole zone, and push it up to break above this whole zone, that's like 63k, my buyers would be invalid now. I'll not be looking for buys on BTC, but till then I'm still bearish on Bitcoin.
Can we please check odd USD?
Odd USD, for sure we can. Okay, odd USD, nothing to talk about here. Consolidating, it goes up, comes down, goes up. You go for long, it now takes you down. You think it's going to go down, you go for short and it takes you up. Trash. Nothing to trade. Are you in this trade? No. Okay, great. Nothing to trade there. Right, Bitcoin, sorry, US30 pushing down now. What's happening? That means gold is buying. Okay, yes, gold is buying, but let's still see. Can we check a synthetic pair? Just tell me the pair that you want us to trade on. We've not taken any trade on gold. Okay, we haven't taken any trade on gold. Just let me delete this before people start selling. We would sell if we get the right confluences. You will sell if we get the right confluences. Let's trade GBP JPY. What's a GBP JPY? There's really nothing to trade here. Actually nothing, right? Market consolidating. This is what we can do. We can only look for opportunities, and the only opportunity we can see is a bullish momentum, right? Bullish momentum somewhere. So if there could be a break above market structure, we would definitely be looking for buys above. And if you are looking for buys above, how many pips can we get? That's like 100 pips. Nice. So let's see. No rush. US 30 still. Let's see.
Elvis, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Precious. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I never knew old students could join us.
No, you can join. You can join the live.
Yeah, Asante sent me link. So I've been watching you from YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
I was the one trying to tell you that, like, please don't use US 30 and gold correlation. Like, that thing has humbled us a lot of times. Use DXY. US 30 is selling now. If you check DXY is trying to push up. It's why US 30 is trying to go down, because DXY is trying to go up. Check it.
DXY is pushing down now.
No, it was pushing down from the beginning. Pushing down from the beginning.
But currently it's pushing down.
There was a news release. They were all good news. But when I checked DXY just dropped.
Sorry, let's see.
Yeah, that would be a fair drop like that.
Yes, gold correlation with US 30 doesn't always work. It works sometimes. Gold is good. I always say there's gold. I'm still learning gold. I'm still a student of gold. I'm still learning gold.
Yes, me too. I'm making my own research, and I believe that gold is going to sell because gold has crossed 1800. And if you check it, anytime the limit is like 1815, if gold gets there, it will fall down. So I still believe that gold is going to sell later today, but I'm not using it as a correlation with US 30. But I know it's still going to sell.
Let's see. That's my students talking. Yes, sir. So US 30 market open in 1 minute. After US 30, guys, we would definitely go look at some synthetic pairs. So that has been nice. No losses so far. Beautiful trades. No losses so far. Beautiful day. So US 30, here we go. Here we go. Pushing up, still pushing up. TP 2 hits, great. So 60 points in profits, US 30. That's a TP2 has been hit. Gold pumping. If gold is pumping, that means US 30 would sell soon. Let's see. Wow, nice. We needed that pump. So now there's a resistance here. Now, guys, look at this. This is where we come in on gold. There's a resistance around this side. Okay. There's a resistance around this side. So we'll be looking for short opportunities, right? We'll be looking for short opportunities. When the market gets to maybe 1814 or 1812. We'll be looking for selling opportunities. On gold. But let's come back to look at US 30. What's going on?
Still in profit.
Beautiful. TP3 will hit soon. Still in profit. US 30 went up. How many pips are we even? We bought it 560, so we are up 700 points. 700 pips. That's like 70 pips. What's that? EURJPY coming down. Yeah, you should have closed long time. We closed. Okay. Yes, that please behave. Okay. After TP3, I would. After TP3, wow, TP3 hits. Beautiful. Beautiful. TP3 hits. I'm done. I'm done trading it. 100 points again on US 30. I'm done. I'm done as in I'm out of the trade. Right. You can hold for the final TP. That's 35,700. Okay. For those, but it's best to always take partials. Right. Yes, gold up, US 30 up. That is, something that's hardly happens.
Yes, it's because DXY is going down.
That's something that hardly happens. All right, beautiful US 30 trade. Now we need BTC to reject. BTC has to start rejecting. BTC has to start rejecting. Wow, US 30 still pushing up. Guys, you can close here. Yes, you can close here. 120 points. It's enough. If you're watching this,
good.
secure partials, like Noble is saying, secure partial. You don't need to wait for the last TP. 120 point is beautiful. No L today. EJ up 70, EU 50, US 30, 120, and step index back to entry. Massa. Wow. So this is how we. That's how we do. This is how we do. So we need to start getting the US 30 to reject. Sorry.
Gold.
Gold to reject. So let's go look for sales on gold. Wow, it's already rejecting. It's already rejecting. Or we can just leave it. We can just leave gold. We've already made some profit. Or what do you guys think? Yes, nobody is saying Operation No L. I don't want to lose today. After yesterday, we took some 2 L's yesterday. But I still think gold has to, in a way, show up with some sales. And I need Bitcoin to reject you from that side. No, it's rejecting. We could have been in profit, but bro, I don't want us to. Precious, what do you think? Should we take this trade, this gold trade? US 30 pumping.
Why I think is that definitely the sale is going to come up. So like I don't feel we should rush it or something.
Yes, rush it.
Just something we don't need to rush it because the sale is for sure. So we can just keep on looking at it probably after the live. Because right now I'm me looking at the chart. My brain is telling me how can I analyze this, but it's difficult because all the moves it made were impulse moves. So
but I was looking at it coming to get to this resistance, reject this zone, and yes, it rejected this zone. That was why I was looking for sales here. So it has rejected the zone, but Trust me, I'm being careful today. I'm very, very careful. I don't want us to take any L. I want to leave here
Yeah.
with a clean record.
Yeah,
This one is
it's what I'm
saying,
saying.
Elvis, let's not trade on gold. Okay, cool. Guys, US 30, go out, right? Like, we are done. We even went up to 690 or something. Just 10 points to final TP. 140 points in profit. Like, you don't need to be greedy. You don't need to be greedy.
Definitely.
Take partials and go drink a major. Precious, do you know a
That's
major?
Ghana. That's Ghana for you.
No, I don't know that too.
Say a major. Say a major.
A major.
A major. Uh-huh.
Come to Ghana. Come to Ghana.
Go to Ghana. They'll show you what a major is. All right. So Bitcoin. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to reject. Yeah. When it rejects and comes to this level somewhere, I'll add one position to my position. I'm in a big fat L on Bitcoin. I'm on a big fat L on Bitcoin. US 30 could even push up to 770. Yes, it's possible, but it's possible to 770. But I don't want us to, have a love is always better than none.
I'm done for the day.
Yes, you can be done for the day from here, and you get vibes. Right, EJ retracing. Yes, good. That is why I always tell you, secure some funds. It went up to. The market is not for you. It's not a bank that you can keep. I'm holding for final TP. Man, 60 pips in like how many? 12 minutes or so. Secure some profits. Irene, did you take profits?
Yes, I did.
Okay, nice. Euro USD to same thing. Went up for another 60. Wow, beautiful. GU buying, that means US 30 has to keep buying. But then US 30, I still don't want us to trade it. Let's look for gold buys. Wow, look at gold. Sorry, sells. Look at gold, guys.
The sell was eminent.
The sell was eminent, but we were now looking at the entry.
Yeah, very.
And
But Elvis, I have a question. As at 1:30, because that was when all these things happened. At 1:30, there were 3 news that was released, and they were all good news. But DXY just dropped once, and that was it. Like, they were all good news, but DXY dropped. I can't explain it. I don't know why. Because that was the reason for like most of these moves that are happening now. Three good bullish news, but DXY dropped down.
DXY hasn't been stable. That's why I said I'm done with USD pairs. Okay, USD pairs are no longer my friend. It's no longer my friend. So let's do this, right? Since we've missed the actual entry, right, on gold. If we lose, bro, we've lost. We can't wait anymore. Maybe I'm FOMOing. Fear of missing out the actual trade. So let's see this. Buy stops on gold, sell stops on gold, right? Put your sell stop on gold at 1800.
Yes, correct.
Or you can sell gold now. Just sell gold now, guys. Sell gold now. Just sell gold now. Apply proper risk management, and let's target 1793. Let's target how many pips? 80 pips. Man, we missed the entry. We shouldn't have taken the trade, but this is a risky trade. Apply proper risk management.
Yes, after like 40 pips, you guys can take partials.
Someone is saying FOMO, let it go. Yeah, that's true. I don't also want to FOMO. We've missed the trade. We've missed it. This was our entry. We missed the entry. Let's just let it go, man. Let's just let it go. That's a
Okay, in
good.
the trade.
Yeah, we're in profit,
Yeah,
but
like from that
for
entry, this sells
the
well.
whole day we are in profit. There's no need of us, trying to. We this could be the trade that we are going to also lose on. Guys, opt out of gold. Close gold positions. It's around entry. It could sell though, but let's just we've done enough today. Just close gold. Close it. You've done enough today. EJ's big profits, US 30 nice profits, EU nice profits. No need of trading. This was going to be the best entry. This was our entry, but I wasn't really too sure, and there was no kind of rejection. The rejection was very impulse, was very fast, and I couldn't. So let's close good. There's no need of us taking this trade. Let's close good. It could sell to 17 something, but bro,
Not good. It will. It will.
it will, but there's no need of. Someone has reached his plan for the day, yeah. So there's no need.
Definitely. That's the goal. Just want to reach your plan. That's the goal.
If you've reached your plan, I've reached my plan. I don't need to overtrade, right? Could have used sell stops here and target this 1793, but my people are saying okay, Germany, is it Germany? Gold sell entry 1810, TP 1790, another TP 1780. That's nice, but I'm sorry, I'm not taking gold anymore. I'll just watch it from this side. If we see profit, fine, but yeah, I'm not taking it. We should have. Yeah, nice. Someone had it. Is it Aluwani? I think he's an Indian or an Arab. He says I sold gold at 1809. Yes, that was supposed to be our initial entry, right? But we missed it, guys. Once you miss trades, once you miss entries, don't chase the markets. You are done with it. This is another level of discipline. That's another level of discipline. So let's leave gold alone. I don't want to even watch it. Thank you, gold, for not giving us the vibe. Gold, US 30, we are out now. Bitcoin. Look at this, guys. I'm still bearish on Bitcoin, like I said. If you guys see me in a hospital, know that it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin sent me there. I've over leveraged in Bitcoin. I made a lot of money, and it's like I'm giving the money back to them. Because I over leveraged. I used a big lot size, risked the whole account. So if you see Bitcoin at 64k, know that I'll be at the hospital.
Elvis, we should flog you because he that is preaching against it.
Sometimes I'm a risk taker. Sometimes I wouldn't. When I know this is going to sell, why would I be using 0.01? Whilst I can be using 0.10, 20? Then get a lot of money at once. So yes, Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin, guys. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is having a downtrend vibe, right? Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So definitely, I'm expecting a lower low, right, to 56k. But if the only time Bitcoin would change is the buyers of Bitcoin would change is when Bitcoin breaks above this zone. You can see it's respecting this blue line, right? It's respecting this whole zone, this one zone, this zone. Market has retested here before. The only way you're going to see Bitcoin, explode, if it explodes above, and it's in a way, if it miraculously breaks above this level and goes to this level, right? That's 63,700. You are going to see me in the hospital. I can guarantee you that.
No.
You guys are going to see me in the hospital. I'm just kidding.
My big brother, no.
Unless Irene, you come to the hospital and bring me money. I'm in 0.10 times, like 4 times. That's like 10 lot size times for 40 lot size on a 16k account. So that's what I mean by you see me in the hospital. By 16k isn't money. I'm just kidding. Right, so if it
Wow,
breaks
wow, not
above,
money.
Wow, Elvis, fund me.
I said it's no
Jesus.
money. I said 16K is no money. You didn't ask me whether I'm saying 16,000 naira or 16,000
It's
cedis.
a lie. It's a
I didn't
lie.
talk about dollars or
That's not
euros.
euros.
It's 16,000 naira. How much is 16,000 naira to USD? Let's see.
Jesus. That's about like 5 years or so.
Naira to USD. That's like $38. So if I lose $38, you guys will see me in the hospital.
Elvis the life for now.
Boy Miracle says trade gold. I'm in. No, we are not trading gold. We've missed it. We've missed it. We missed great. You're in the congrats, but we've missed it. This was supposed to be our entry, but I just wanted to wait for rejections, but it just touched the supply zone and quickly rejected, so we couldn't get any entry. Right, next time we'll get another entry on gold. Next time, hopefully. All right, so guys, nice day, beautiful day. I think you guys, unless you guys tell me what we should trade on, for me, I'm done with my target today. There's nothing more to do here. Nasdaq, I'm bullish on Nasdaq. I think it should go to 800, right, on Nasdaq. Let's do some bit of synthetics and I'll leave you guys. Just bring me the pairs, right? Just send the pairs. Boss, I'm with you on BTC. Oh wow, I have someone supporting me on BTC. Wow, we move. Step index, we are in sales on step index. TP 9200 on step index. Okay, whilst we wait for Bitcoin is rejecting. You can see it's rejecting. So if it rejects and it gets to this level, we are going to go for. I'm going to add another 0.10, and my naira would keep appreciating.
This Elvis.
All right, VIX 75. I've never traded VIX 75 on this live. Let's try. Wow. Ebuka says you are working in the hospital. So I'll just send myself to the hospital. Okay. So this is VIX. Beautiful. Nice. I love training market. When I see a market training this way, I'm very happy. Very, very happy. So VIX 75, we are going to take a nice entry here. Okay. Okay, so this is what we are going to do on VIX 75. There's a pattern. I don't trade patterns, as you guys know. So we are going to do this. We are going to put a buy limit on VIX 75. I think it should keep on pushing up. The trend is, this is a trending market. I think it should keep on pushing up to this level, right? So it should keep on pushing up. So we have to this level, maybe has to push up to this level. Market should keep on pushing up to this level. Right, so buy limit on VIX 75. Let's do this. Buy limit on VIX 75. Or is it buy stop? Sorry, buy stops on VIX 75 at 74,500 and TP 82K. Что думаешь? Что случилось? So yes, guys, this was a sell limit on step index yesterday at 9245, TP 9220. We are already at 250 points, pips. Wow, nice. So today we are not trading step index. We are in step index now too, right? But today we are trading VIX 75.
I closed my orders
Too
too late.
late.
And take a little
Profit.
But now
It's
price
going up. It's normal. It's normal. You are not to make a lot of money. You know, you make small money to treat DNA. You leave the market, right? It's good. Alright, so we are taking buy stops on VIX 75. Let's do this. VIX 75. VIX 75. Buy stops at 744,000. 1 2 3 4, and our TP would be here at 798,000. Okay, and our stop loss would be, let's look at the stop loss. Let's set it at a logical area. I will tell you guys where the stop loss should be. Stop loss here, right? So stop loss would be very tight, 70,300. Okay, 71 3,000. Okay, so buy stops on VIX 75. Let's see.
Doc, 79 or 71?
VIX 75. It's synthetics. This is a synthetic pair.
I'm asking about the stop loss.
I am 71, somewhere here. 71 3,000. Because if it breaks this level, it's going to come back here.
Oh, okay.
Buy stops. Right, so that's going to be our trade today. Let's go back to Nas and the brothers. US 30 pushing up, but yo, we done. Gold, what's happening? Yes, I told you guys about gold. We didn't need to take this trade. We would have been in loss here. We would have been in loss here. So no FOMO, we are still in good profit, right? And Bitcoin is rejecting. Love this. Bitcoin is rejecting. It's rejecting. It has to reject. This candle close below, and we keep on going down.
But Elvis, what do you think? If gold gets to that place we're supposed to take entries,
If gold does what?
If gold gets to that place where we're supposed to take entries before.
Yes, if it goes back to 1809, I would sell. Or if it goes to even 1806, I would sell. And if it doesn't break above that previous, I would sell. Raymond Frimpon says, y'all enjoying the video? Like the video, please, guys. Please just like. In Spanish, we say español like kush. So like kush, please. And in Russian, как это значит? No, like the video. No, как. No, I want to tell them to like the video in Russian. Come and tell them.
Ставьте лайки под видео.
Huh? Давай, come tell them in Russian. Can't let them see you. Come. No, иди сюда. Okay, guys, this is my friend. Watch the camera. Are you watching the camera? Good. So tell them to like the video. Ну скажи, она слушаешь.
Кто меня слушает? Привет. Привет всем, ребят.
Привет. Привет is hello in Russian. So tell them to like the video. They should like the video in Russian.
Ставьте лайки, подписывайтесь на канал.
Ставьте лайк, пожалуйста, what? Hey, I've been here for like almost 6 years. I can't speak Russian. Ставьте лайк,
Ставьте лайки, да. Subscribe, подписывайтесь.
So paspista, please paspista. It means like the video, okay?
Make una like video.
Right, right. Spasiba, bro. Spasiba. So that's my guy. So like the video, please. Elvis, check Dodge. Okay, let's check for Shiba and let's check for Dodge. Shiba, is Shiba the right time to invest? Now listen, guys. This is what I have to tell you, right? So Shiba, if you were holding Shiba from let me use the 1 month chart. If you were holding Shiba from August, right, you would have now been up. Look at this whole candle. Wow, you would have now been up 1,000%. So if let's say you are having $100, that means 100 times 1,000. That's like, you can do your calculations. Right, if you invested 1,000, that means you'd have been having 1,000 blah blah blah. But look at this. People are asking me, should I invest in Shiba now? Should I not invest in Shiba? Now this is what I have for you, right? This is a move like what we learned on the go. This is a move that you've missed. You've missed this move. There's no need of you coming to invest. What if you now invest here and it now goes against you, starts going down? This is not the right time to buy this Shiba. Look for another coin that has the potential to move like what this Shiba. Okay, so look for another coin. I'm going to update you on the nice coin, but I'm targeting 500%, right? I'm going to update you when all confluences are finalized and done, right? So that's for Shiba. I'm not going to enter this market. It's done. The sweetness of Shiba is gone, right? Yesterday we had sell stops on ETH. It hasn't been triggered, so no trade on ETH. No trade on ETH. No trade on ETH. The sweetness or the sugar of Shiba is gone. I don't know why people are still looking for buys here, because you've missed it. Don't FOMO. Don't chase market. Don't fear of missing out. You are just now, trying to chase the market. You've missed it. Let's look at is it Dodge? Yeah, Dodge. Let's look at Dodge. Okay, Dodge had a push today. Let me look at it. This Dodge had a push today from this side because that side was consolidating. So let's calculate how much these Dodge guys made, and they were so happy. Okay, they made 27% of their capital. That means if you're having $1,000, you've made $270 profit. So why are you jubilating? That's 27%. Man, I don't want these kind of percentages. Legends don't do this. Legends don't look for 27%. We look for 400%. You guys remember FET? What FET did? Bitcoin buys, you remember what it did from 39k to 66. That is what I'm talking about. That's the kind of profit that people want. 6,000 pips. If we were having 0.01 and you held it through, you are going to make $6,000. That's the kind of money that people want, not these 27%. Man, it's okay, it's fine, but for me, nah, bruh. Wow, US 30 final TP hits. TP4 35,700 hits, but we left it early. As usual, we left it early. We didn't want to take any risk. Okay, gold should sell. If Bitcoin is US 30 is pushing this up, gold should sell. So Dodge, I'm not in Dodge. I'm in Link. I'm in FTT, I'm in ADA, I'm in DGB buy limits, pending buy limits. This would give you 145%. DGB buy limit here. I've said this on the previous. Global revival China. Always are you in Ukraine? Yeah, is Russia. Is it Russia? Russia. Yeah, is Russia. I'm in Russia now. Soon I'll be coming to Ghana. December. I'll be coming with Irene. XRP. I'm not in XRP. See, I would give you guys nice coins to invest your money in, right? For now, just be patient. You see what gold is doing? Precious, are you seeing what gold is doing?
Yes, sir.
Right. This is why we shouldn't have FOMO. By now, we would have faced stop loss and would have been angry. So I'm just waiting for rejection on Bitcoin to go short. Right. Let's see. USDT is bullish, guys. It's very bullish. It would go to 770, but we've already made our profit and we are down for the day.
Can you please go to DXY? Let's see what's
Euro JPY to nice. DXY is shorting. I told you that if DXY is shorting, that means it's bullish for
gold and
US30 and those things, those stocks. Senior Sechi said took it and was clapped.
That's why gold is not pushing up.
Yeah, you have to be clapped because for me, I don't know if that's a level of discipline that you should get to. If you don't see opportunities, you don't trade. Euro GBP, let's see. Buying. Now this also negatively affects GU, so that means GU should probably be selling. That's a correlation it has, but GU is buying surprisingly. Euro JPY is also good, going good. Alright, so guys, today was a nice trading day. EJ plus 60 pips, EU plus 50, US30 plus 120, and step index in 50 pips profit. Today is a good day. No stop, no loss hits. I would definitely update you guys on the BTC signal or the BTC trade, and maybe send another signal if need be, right? But I think today was good. Any questions so far? If you have a question, do ask me, and please do share the link to your friends. Tell them about this live meeting, right? Tell them about this. We do this, we share knowledge, we lose money together, we make money together, we smile together, we cry together. Yeah, so today was profitable. Very, very, very profitable, right? And we took VIX 75 buy stops too. Don't forget that. Today was very, very, very profitable. So let's see.
Dog,
Yes.
please, what happened in US30 today was very interesting. Though I took that buy position, but I would love it if you can repeat your reason for taking the buy position.
Okay, the reason for taking the US30 buy, normally on a normal day should sell, but this is a breakout, right? If a breakout and a retest fails, that means the market is a confirmed what sell. Because normally market breaks out and retest, then it's what goes down. So this was a confirmed sell. But why did I go for a buy? I went for a buy because after a breakout after there's a breakout and market is consolidating or becoming choppy, right? Market normally goes up. It's a trend. It's a trend. It's always up after a breakout and retest. After a breakout straight, when market is consolidating, it means there's what's going to go up.
It's going
Very,
to be
very
an
simple.
impulse move.
There's going to be an impulse move to the upside.
Okay.
Then to back up what you said, I think because DXY also pushed down.
Yes, and DXY to push down, right? That was why
Okay.
we're looking
Two
for
things.
buys. Two things, yeah.
And that is my question. Also, do you think that the inflation and printing of dollar has stopped? That was why DXY pushed down.
No, it hasn't. It will stop somewhere next year, February. So markets will be very much like this till next year. You were saying that there's going to be bad news incoming. There wasn't any bad news. Now US30 isn't really news. It's not really news. The news is there. It's just the inflation news. Okay, so there hasn't been any news on US30 of late. All right, so guys, God bless everyone for joining. Irene, thank you for coming through. I owe you some dollars. Max, I owe you some dollars. Precious, I owe you some dollars. So guys, I'll see you guys on the flip
Thank
side
you, sir.
another time. Do
Thank
like the
you. Thank you.
video. Do like the video. Please do like the
I
video.
beg, make una like my big brother
and
video. I
and
beg.
share the link to people. Do like the video, share the link to people. An excellent day today. 4 out of 4 trades taken. God bless everyone for joining. I would see you guys
God
God
soon.
bless you too,
bless
Doc.
you.